STEAM in Practice is an immersive and dynamic professional learning program designed to transform your teaching approach. In this groundbreaking program, educators step into the world of STEAM education with confidence as they collaborate side by side with our experienced STEAM instructional leaders. Teaching shoulder to shoulder, either online or in person, live with their class. Through hands-on experimental, gauging classroom experiences, STEAM in Practice empowers educators to seamlessly integrate science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics into their teaching methodologies. This program operates over an 8-week period from 1 hour each week for each class. We look at your existing teaching and learning programs and develop lessons that seamlessly integrate STEAM activities and projects into your curriculum. Discover the power of experimental learning, innovative projects, and expert guidance as you embark on a journey that bridges the gap between theory and practical application.